Hi, my name is Marcus, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about TedsWoodworking before actually buying the product. I have some important alerts to share, so stay until the end of the video, and I'll tell you. The first thing you need to know about TedsWoodworking is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because TedsWoodworking is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. TedsWoodworking is a digital package that offers a vast collection of woodworking plans. The primary goal of this product is to teach you how to complete woodworking projects in a fraction of the time it would normally take, even if you are a complete beginner. This program is one of the most comprehensive available on the market, with no less than 16,000 different projects. That's right, 16,000. Each of these projects comes with a variety of resources that make the construction process easier. Let's take a closer look at what's included: detailed step-by-step plans. Each project is accompanied by detailed instructions that guide you through every step of the process. This includes cutting, assembly, and finishing. Templates and material lists. In addition to the plans, you also receive templates and lists of materials and cuts required to complete each project. This eliminates any guesswork about what you need to buy or how to proceed. Woodworking tutorials and classes. TedsWoodworking is not just about providing plans. It also includes tutorials and woodworking classes that offer in-depth training. These tutorials are taught by master craftsmen, ensuring that you learn the correct techniques from the start. Learn at your own pace. One of the great benefits of this product is that you can learn at your own pace. There's no pressure to complete a project within a specific time frame. You can access the plans and tutorials whenever it's convenient for you, making it perfect for those with busy schedules or for anyone who enjoys taking their time. TedsWoodworking is more than just a set of plans. It's a complete woodworking course that can transform anyone into a skilled craftsman. With 16,000 different projects and a variety of useful resources, it provides everything you need to start, learn, and successfully complete woodworking projects. If you're looking for a way to save time, learn new skills, and produce quality woodworking pieces, TedsWoodworking is definitely an excellent choice. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test TedsWoodworking. If you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. Now, here's a crucial warning. If you're looking to try TedsWoodworking, I strongly recommend purchasing only from the official manufacturer's website. This ensures you get the genuine product and avoids potential scams. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Alright, folks, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time.